What's going on, guys? My name is Matt and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I've got an NFT I think you guys will love. This is something very different from a lot of other projects out there, and this team is doing an extremely good job. So if you guys are new, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and let's get right into it, folks. So the project we're talking about today is something called Women Unite. Now, this is one of the very few projects I have seen on the Ethereum network that has pulled off the photography niche in such a compelling way. So they are doing a photography based project here, which is very rare. These are not particularly common, and it's not particularly common to see one of these that has such a large following like this. So they essentially built this out of hand taken photos of real women from around the world, adorned with over 100 plus individually selected accessories, and of course they flourish on the Ethereum blockchain. So they offer the Women Unite token, which also functions as a membership card which grants access to the Women Unite kingdom. So what I think is so cool about this is, again, the quality of both the photographs and the overall marketing is extremely good. And compared to so many other projects out there, they definitely do seem to be leading. And again, when it comes down to their collections and their overall roadmap, what essentially they have created here is a throne pass, which gives access to the WU kingdom. It is the only way to gain access for future WU collections, which allows holders to be able to mint tokens for free. They of course have the silver pass with 2,000 of them and the gold pass with 222. Now, another thing that I think is very cool about this project is that the team is completely doxed here on their site with pictures of everyone. So there are a ton of people who are working on this project, and as you guys can see, they have their public Instagram here linked with a lot of information about them, and man, is that nice to see. There are a lot of projects out there which don't reveal a lot of information about themselves, and again, this is powered by the I Am Creator team, which is a very successful company, and you guys can see just about everybody here has some kind of social media linked, their real name, their real face, which is fantastic to see. So again, definitely nice to get the faces behind the names and to see who is actually working on this and promoting this project. When we take a look at the roadmap, there is a lot to see here. So of course, they have their original launch day, which was launched in January here of 2022 with, of course, 222 original tokens, which were released in the Inner Circle community. And right now, when we take a look at those tokens, they're going for a floor of 14.5, which is quite the hefty price to say the least. When it comes down to the rest of the roadmap, the silver and gold throne passes were launched shortly after. The private launch pad was worked on, of course, the influencer outreach campaign. That's where people like me come in. And of course, the Women Unite 10K Assemble collection. So on the 8th of April here, they will launch a second collection of 10,000 tokens. The Women Unite 10K Assemble collection, of course, which is a free mint to the Throne Pass holders. So this again incentivizes people to purchase their Throne Pass, which definitely does help support this project in the long run and gives some validity to holding on to a pass like this. So definitely nice to see that. And of course, in May here, we have a charity contribution here, 10% of all profits to support women's charities, plus a 3-month anniversary virtual gala dinner for all token holders. Very cool. And of course, the beta launch of the WU Kingdom. So on the 22nd of May, an exclusive hub for private masterminds, influencer networking, and select coaching sessions for, of course, holders of the Throne Pass only. Then the launch of the Forgotten Warriors collection, which will be the third collection with 11,111 for a new collection out there. Then, of course, they plan on entering the metaverse, creating a space for women virtually with unlimited 24-hour access granted to all token holders, and of course, bringing the WU Palace into reality. So a palace to be built in the Creator's Land as a physical representation of the courage, beauty, and kindness of all women coming in 2025. So actually planning on building some kind of physical location, which is always great to see as well. I love it when NFTs combine metaverse and, of course, some kind of physical location as well. And once again, folks, I love the fact that this project is actually built by a team that has a history of being successful. The I Am Creator team here is a personal development company which has been around for a long time. And of course, when we take a look at their site, it is very successful. They have an app on the App Store, and the creator here has had a very large history of success in terms of personal development and personal growth. So again, definitely nice to see that the people who are working on this do have a track record of success. There's also a plan, of course, to launch an education hub here, helping to lend a hand to all those who are looking to gain more knowledge about NFTs and empower themselves with the right tools to be able to create abundance in their lives. Our education hub is a great resource for understanding the basics of NFTs, navigating different platforms, knowing how to stay secure, and so much more. So that will be coming soon. And of course, they have their social medias here, in which the Discord I will link down below in the description. With that being said, folks, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly do hope you guys have enjoyed the video. And again, massive thanks to Women Unite for collaborating with me on this video. Again, like I tell you guys all the time, I only accept the collaboration if this is actually a project that I like. And again, these guys seem to have everything going for them, including the fact that the quality of their artwork is fantastic. These are extremely clear, well photographed and choreographed photographs, which, again, like I've told you, is extremely rare to see in the NFT community. And photograph projects like this, I think, are definitely underrepresented overall, and I think this is doing the best job of that. So with that being said, thank you all so much for watching. I truly do hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe. Again, check out Women Unite down below in the description. Truly a great project. My name is Matt. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.